Imagine a pristine garden where every corner reflects the perfection and harmony of nature, without a dead branch or any green waste to spoil the view. This dream is now within reach with the Einhell GC-KS 2540CB Garden Shredder. It is not just a tool, it is your gardening partner that transforms your green waste into useful compost, making your garden not only more beautiful, but also healthier. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours today. Feel free to subscribe to the channel to discover new products every day. This garden shredder is ideal for amateur gardeners and homeowners who want to keep their garden clean and reduce their green waste in an eco-friendly way. Perfect for those looking for a practical and efficient solution for composting and managing garden debris. The Einhell shredder is equipped with a robust 2500-watt motor capable of spinning at an impressive speed of 3800 revolutions per minute. Thanks to this considerable power, it can easily handle branches and cuttings up to 40 mm in diameter. These two reversible blades made of special steel are designed to last and provide effortless shredding performance, turning your green waste into a fine mulch perfect for your compost. Safety is paramount with the Einhell GC. The device includes a safety latch that prevents access to the blades during operation, ensuring safe use. The device is also equipped with a safety circuit breaker that protects the motor from overloads, thereby extending the lifespan of the Einhell GC-KS 2540CB. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of extremely satisfied customer reviews. Equipped with a sturdy water chassis, the garden shredder is easy to move wherever you want in your garden, no matter where you need to use it. Its mobile design and practical transport handle greatly facilitate movement. Whether you want to use it in a remote corner of the garden or near your composter, the Einhell is always ready for use. This model comes with a 50-liter collection bin, transparent to allow you to see the fill level. This helps you manage waste more easily without having to frequently stop the device to empty it. The included push stick ensures that you can safely feed the shredder and helps to push the remaining waste without putting your hands near the blades. The funnel easily folds down, allowing for quick and simple access for cleaning and regular maintenance. This feature is essential for keeping the shredder in optimal condition and ensuring its longevity, thus ensuring that you won't have to invest in another tool for many years. Using the Einhell GC is not only good for your garden but also for the planet. By shredding your green waste, you reduce the amount of waste sent to the landfill. And what is produced is excellent for your soils, enriching the earth and helping to retain moisture. Einhell is recognized for the quality and durability of its tools. The GC-KS 2540CB model is no exception and is a testament to the brand's commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction. With over 2,500 positive reviews, users have widely validated the efficiency and reliability of this shredder. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it now at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. Also, consider subscribing to the channel to discover the best products every day. Now let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. The number one advantage is high power with a 2500-watt motor and a speed of 3800 revolutions per minute. It offers optimal performance for quickly shredding branches and debris up to 40 mm in diameter. Advantage number two, a reversible and durable blade equipped with two special reversible steel blades that ensure efficient shredding and extend the lifespan of the device. Advantage N, easy mobility. Its wheeled chassis and integrated transport handle allow for easy placement around the house and garden. Advantage number 4, optimized safety, includes a safety latch and a circuit breaker that protects against overloads, minimizing the risk of accidents. One advantage is the simple maintenance. The foldable funnel makes access for cleaning and regular maintenance easy, making this task quick and hassle-free. Advantage number 6, practical collection bin. The 55-liter bin allows you to see the fill level and manage waste efficiently. Now let's move on to some drawbacks. The number one drawback is the operating noise. Like most powerful shredders, they generate a noticeable level of noise that could be bothersome in very quiet or residential environments. Don't let green waste take over your garden. Choose the Einhell GC-KS 2540CB shredder and turn that waste into resources. Click on the link in the description to order yours at the best price, learn more about the product, and explore the hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers. Simplify your gardening, save time, and contribute to a greener environment with Einhell. Feel free to subscribe to the channel to discover the best products every day. With that, I thank you for your attention and hope to see you very soon.